Today we're gonna do a big mystery KiwiCo box. I do it.
This was sent a long time ago. Even I don't know what's in it. So let's take a look. Oh wow!
It's not a KiwiCo box.
Yeah. Let's see. It says learn and grow.
It's not a KiwiCo
It
box.
says
It's a KiwiCo box.
yeah.
Not the KiwiCo version box.
Okay.
It's a KiwiCo version box.
All right, hold on. So it looks like in this box, in this crate, is a sensory play, chemistry experiments, and the scientific method.
Can you give me a little help?
All right, let's take a look. I might need some help too.
I can help you.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh, this is pretty strong on there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I think they put
Wow.
it high. Here's the book. Look how big
Look
the
how-
book that is.
Yeah, look how big this book is.
I think this is where you set it on. Oh, look how big this balloon is.
It looks like that's the ice tray. It's the ice tray. It has all these neat things
There's
inside.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Funnels.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Tubes.
11, 12, 14, 15, 16.
Okay.
Look, 16 ice cubes in here.
Oh wow. So
Count
I haven't even looked in this at all. Let's see what we can do. Let's do some baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. So I will be right
Do you
back.
want to make gummy bears?
We'll see. We're gonna do some hidden colors. So I'm gonna be vanishing. And we're back. We're back, right?
Yeah, I said
We're back. All right. So we're gonna go do this one. Going to be hidden colors. What you'll need is the green tray, the ice tray.
I'm not after a tray. It's at the top.
Okay, and we're going to need a large beaker. We need a squeeze bowl. We're going to need the blue scoop. I'm going to put all these over here and put these over here for now. Then what we needed was baking soda. Needed food coloring, which we have for other videos. And we got vinegar. So part of this hidden colors, it says discover colors with a chemical reaction. Put your ice tray in your green tray, which we did, right?
Yeah.
Add a few drops of food coloring into each square of the ice tray. So we're going with orange, blue-green, and purple. So can you put some
It's the same
few
thing.
drops. Yep, few drops. So like this. Watch this. Right here. So we're gonna do few drops. 1, 2. So can you do that for me with these other colors? All right. So for the next part, step number 2, add a blue scoop of baking soda to each square so you can't see any color. So 1 blue scoop into each box. All right, keep going. And here we are. We have now food coloring in it, in the whole tray, and then we have some baking soda on top. So now we've done step 1 and step 2. We are going to go and do step 3, which is fill the large beaker about halfway with vinegar. So we're going to take this, we're going to do halfway with vinegar. Okay.
I hope it doesn't run out of vinegar.
I don't think we'll run out of vinegar. There we go.
And I gotta do this.
All right, hold on. All right. So step 3 was fill the large beaker with some vinegar. And then step number 4 was suck up some of the vinegar with the squeeze bulb, like this. And then step 5 is squirt the vinegar into a square. Watch what happens. Keep squirting vinegar to see more reactions. Can you guess what color each square will be
Purple.
before you squirt the vinegar into it?
Blue.
So what goes on is the vinegar and the baking soda react and make gas bubbles. As the vinegar drips through the baking soda, it reaches those hidden colors below. The bubbles will rise, bringing the colors with them.
Purple.
Purple!
Orange. Let's do a chain reaction.
Having a boy is like setting a tray with lots of vinegar.
I did a chain reaction.
Just to do a chain reaction. So wasn't that fun?
Yeah, I made chain reaction.
You made a chain reaction, that's right.
Where did that one come from?
Oh, that one was from the box because Mommy wanted to stir it up, try and get us a little bit more color going.
Oh, there's like a chain reaction right there.
Isn't that pretty cool? Do you want to do one more science experiment? So we are going to do one last experiment out of all the different things that you can do with this chemistry set. There's a lot of different potential out of this one. They just don't have the little ingredients and bits and bobs in it. But we got beakers, we got test tubes, we got trays, and we got different ideas out of this handy dandy book. So from this handy dandy book, we're going to do tie-dyed milk.
Tie-dye milk.
Tie-dye milk.
Yay!
Creates bursts of color milk. So in here we got the green tray, got a yellow scoop, right here, yellow scoop, got a stir stick, got 2 bowls, got a large beaker, and then from home we have whole milk, got food coloring, and got some dish soap. So this is not something that you're going to be drinking and eating afterwards.
Yeah, because it's not healthy.
Yeah. All right, so step number 1. Step number 1, can you see? Pour 1 yellow scoop of dish soap into a bowl. So from here,
Bowl. Got
take a
a
bowl.
bowl. 1 yellow coming up.
and let's do it over the bowl, just in case, because we don't want to spill, right? Almost. And there we go.
Stop.
Done. All right, and step number 2, fill the large beaker about halfway with milk. Then pour the milk into the green tray. So we're going to take these out. And then we're going to take whole milk. I'm going to pour half. And then you're going to pour this carefully in the green tray. There we go. You got it all mixed up there. All right. So what we're going to do is add about 10 drops of food coloring on top of the milk. So we're going to take these different colors that I got here.
I want to do that one. I have
Do
to
that
do
one?
all of these.
All right.
Can you help me turn the cap?
Here. Why don't you do those? Well, I got this. Okay, it says about 10 drops, so let's just do it all. Got some green.
I did all.
Yep, do it all. That's all right.
Yeah, because we could buy a new one.
Because we'll buy new ones.
Yeah. Let's go wild.
Look at that pink.
Let's go wild. Last one. Look, blue.
Blue. That's a dark blue.
Let's go wild. Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty. So we squeezed food coloring in here. It looks really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
So colorful. It's got some pink and some dark blue.
Even
And blue.
pink.
Yeah. And in the book it says use any colors you like. So we're going to go to the next part. Dip the round end of the stir stick into the dish soap. Dip. Then step number 5 is dip the soapy stir stick in the middle of the milk. Watch what happens. Wow. Okay, let's take a look. Watch what happens. Doesn't it look cool? Look. When the movement stops, it's time to wash everything up and start again. Don't drink the milk. So what is going on? The soap made the colors move around in the milk. Soap is good for washing. It grabs onto things like dirt and oil and fat. Milk has some fat in it, so the soap grabs onto that fat. The moving and mixing of the fat and the soap pushes the colors around in the green tray. So that's what we got. Do you like having this box? Was it really cool? With different ideas and what's going on?
Yeah.
Do you understand what happened?
Yeah.
So the first one, when we did the baking soda and the vinegar, there's a chain reaction.
Yeah.
And
the last one, this one.
And the last one is tie-dye milk. Thank you so much for joining us on this a surprise Kiwi box.
Yeah.
And did we have a lot of fun?
Yeah. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe.
All right, bye-bye, everybody. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.